So they don't have cheesy garlic bread. They have a margherita though. Can you hear it? In 3 minutes it only takes. I can't believe a vending machine pizza is crazy. You can smell it.
That's so the best pizza.
What do you give it out of 10? Is there any other place in the UK that have got this? So that one, no, that's a spicy one. So
spicy.
you have to go back. Go back, and then you just said you wanted a margherita. So that they've got all different types. Whoa. Cheesy garlic bread, how cool is that? So look, so some of the stuff is out of stock. So they don't have cheesy garlic bread. They have a margherita though. You want margherita?
Margherita.
I wonder what that one is. Americana. Margherita.
No, that one's got ham on.
Right, so
That one had ham on.
So you want one, so just press that. Neva, come here. And then C-cart. Right, so that's what you want. And then you're going to go pay for the order.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the bank card. And then you're going to put it there. Did it work? Yeah, it did. You can remove your card. And you'll only be charged when it's delivered. So now, look, it's going to deliver your pizza. So how do you think they do it, Caleb? So it's a machine that it just bakes it?
Yeah,
No, we're not going in, we're taking it home. You said this is what you wanted for your dinner. So we'll make a salad when we get home.
The robot just brings the pizza out of there.
No, we're not eating in, we've got to get back for Dad.
Does the pizza come from in there? And then you get it?
I think it's going to come out there. Can you hear it? You can hear it doing something. Can you hear it? In 3 minutes it only takes. I can't believe a vending machine pizza is crazy.
3 minutes, Dave.
I can't wait to see what it looks like.
Actually, the machine was making pizza.
Yeah, it's making a pizza. Do you know like when you do you know like when you get when you get a chocolate bar out of a machine?
So
It actually like look 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, that's so awesome. Nah.
What do you think of
You
it?
don't even need to go in wait for ages to make
No,
it.
you don't even need to go in. It makes it. And what's good about it is it's stone baked. Like the dough, they make it all from scratch. So it's not like, you know when you go sometimes to a pizza shop and they use them like frozen bases, it's not like that. So because it's a restaurant, they've already prepared loads of pizzas. So this machine, it'll just warm it up, but it's not like it should be an authentic pizza.
They made it and then they're just warming up. Then
The machine warms it up, but you can order this at any time at night, even at 2 o'clock in the morning.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, you could come in the middle of the night, the morning, whenever you want, 24 hours a day. So look, 2 minutes and 25.
I bet they've got a trillion pizzas waiting for this machine.
Do you reckon a trillion?
No, like a million pizzas a year to like 10 or something. Like 100 pizzas waiting to get delivered, and then another one delivered, and then another one delivered.
So I'll just pause this until it pops out. So that's the actual restaurant inside. So that's them making pizzas. That's in the restaurant.
I can smell it.
You can smell it.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Can you smell it through the?
I bet the robot picks it up, but no, it doesn't.
No, not in the receipt bit. It's probably down there. Yeah. So 25 seconds left. It's nearly ready.
I can't smell it.
This is quicker than if you went to a takeaway. Definitely.
You. Can look at this.
Right, Caleb, it says it's ready.
It's ready.
In progress.
Yeah, it's now.
Can you hear it? Do you think it's going to have a box or is it going to fall into your hand?
No.
What do you think?
4 hands for one big pizza.
Let's have a look at it.
the robot.
Eh?
I guess that's awesome.
So what do you think?
That's so awesome.
Are you going to try it now or are you going to wait until you get home?
Make sure I get home.
It smells so nice. It really looks really good. You can really smell the basil on it. That is amazing, and you can see that it is proper. It's a real, real pizza. Yeah, so we've made a little salad with tomatoes, avocado, lettuce, and cucumber. So this is just a margherita, but they did have different flavours, didn't they?
Oh, that just ripped some cheese off there. Stick that back on.
So let us know what you think.
It's good.
Is it nice? I don't really like pizza, but I tasted some for the base, and the base is really, really nice. Oh, Mikey keeps knocking the light.
It's like because he's crawling on the floor. He looks like he's walking.
Do you really like it then? Micah, can you just take that fork off him, darling, please?
Thank you.
So do you like it then, Caleb? Was it a good pizza?
The best pizza.
What do you give it out of 10?
Let's see.
We'll give you some in a minute. Get you some
20.
food.
Out of 24.
So you like it though, yeah?
This is why I love cheese and tomato pizzas.
So Nevo, what do you give it out of 10?
I'm going to give it to 4 out of 9.
4 out of 9. Okay. Is it one of your favourite pizzas or not?
20 out of 24.
Nice. You like it though? You really enjoying it, Caleb, yeah?
This is really good. Best pizza I've ever had.
That's really good. So it's the best pizza you've ever had, even better than homemade. Yeah?
It is homemade.
Like, you know, in the house, it is home. Yeah, you are right. But what about the pizza that you make yourself? You like it better than that? Yeah?
Because they've got the cheese is proper. It's a real margherita pizza because there's like spots of cheese around it.
He keeps knocking the light. Yeah.
Taste this basil. This tastes really, really good.
Does it taste nice?
Fresh basil.
So we're gonna go now. So yeah, if you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share. Leave us a comment. What do you think? Do you have any machines like this where you are? It's really cool, isn't it? So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. 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 Are you having some cucumber? Who's that, Baba? Bye. Say bye. Yay.